Hello?
Hello.
Why didn't you stop? Okay, you see the blue lights?
Yeah.
Okay, you know I'm a police officer? See the badge?
Yeah, you understand.
Right?
Yeah.
So you see the blue lights, you stop.
Yeah, sorry.
You don't continue to drive.
Yeah, I understand. Sorry.
Okay? Can I see your license, registration, insurance?
License?
License?
ID, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
401 Orleans.
Orleans 401.
Can you make a 21 over to Border Patrol and see if they have anybody in the area who can translate for me?
10-4. Language, they're going to ask me.
I'm going to assume Spanish. She's from Mexico.
10-4, that's it.
Permits, permanent. I'm sorry, sir.
Don't be alarmed. I have Border Patrol coming here to translate for me.
No te alarmes. Tengo una patrulla fronteriza que viene aquí a traducir para mí.
You have valid passport?
¿Tienes un pasaporte válido?
That's not valid? Okay.
One.
401.
I have a BP supervisor on 21 and new policy, they can't translate for us. They said they will vacuum us if need be, but they can't translate.
Ten four. Okay, if a BP unit comes here, I'll speak with them.
10-4. Orleans 401, they are sending a unit for backup, not translation, for your 43.
10-4. I have the translation part down here a little bit. On my phone, I got an app that I can do translations with. But I believe this person is still probably illegal here, so they can still 76, and I'll chat with them.
10-4.
Trying to get an answer on where they are.
Or
with me on the scene, it should change the directive here. This is Carmody.
Fox 6, go ahead, proceeding.
Hello?
Hey, dude.
Hey.
You said the magic word on the radio. We cannot respond for translation purposes. Per policy, like we can go there to assist and back up, and in the course of assisting, we discover, hey, what do you know? This guy happens to be out of status or something. But when you're specifically requesting translation services, I got.
the reason, the quicker we get you out of here, the better chance
La
the
razón
Border
por la que
Patrol
cuanto
agent
más
will not be
rápido te
here.
sacamos de aquí es la Z.
All right.
Sorry, I couldn't understand. Can you?
The quicker we can get out of here is better chance that the Border Patrol agent will not be here.
I mean, why Border Patrol is involved in the traffic stop?
For one reason is I needed a translator before I figured out my phone could translate for me, and two is it's the status of the passport.
Yeah, do you know there's a very martial policy that's not an excuse to call Border Patrol. You always can have access to the different way. That's why, I encourage you to just wait for us. We're on our way. Border Patrol shouldn't be involved in this traffic stop.
Well, they were coming to assist me in backing me up. So, I'm not here trying to get anybody into any trouble. Look, I'm not here trying to get anybody into trouble. I'm not here going to argue the point of who's backing me up or not. Okay, I'm just trying to get this vehicle off the road so I can go on my way.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
So you can wait. We're gonna be there in an hour or less than an hour.
No, that's not how that works. I'm not waiting an hour. Like, that's not how that works. Okay, so just hold tight. Let me talk to Lorenzo.